ECX barrage. I have mounted the ESC receiver to between the shock towers, the battery to a little metal plate. Reverse the motor. Reverse the polarity on the outlet, or the input actually, not the outlet, the input. So where the red wire is, the black wire used to be. As for that is kind of custom. Very hard to explain, and it's barely on there. So I'm kind of not sure, but it is a piece of metal. It's got a little plate to hold it.
Between 90 and 120, nothing.
But it's getting a Land Rover body. The grill is somewhere around here. Oh, I ran it over. Bam, there it is. But yeah, so it's working well. I think I'm going to end up probably going to a regular receiver and ESC, but a mini 20 amp. I don't need anything big. A 7.4 LiPo. That'll be great. Tell me what you think.